recently I've been able to actually place 3 bikes here, actually 2 motorcycles and 1 scooter, and you can see it all fits despite the small size. I just had to switch the side on which the Royal Enfield is. That means I parked it up front instead of like it used to be, and well, the scooter fits in nicely, so all members of the family have their machines stored in here nicely. And well, you can see our previous film, how it used to be with the 2 bikes. Now it's actually 3 pieces parked in here. So if any one of you are looking for a nice garage, I think this is it. So everything here has been actually made as a DIY project. It has been electrified too. You can see, well, not only the spotlight, but here we have the light. There's a torch on the wall and some deco which we've picked up while riding motorbikes basically all over the globe. Well, this place, I must say, is quite dry. It's resistant to water. It's non-heated, so if you want to keep your batteries charged, probably you need to take it out. But for us, it's just a recharge in the summertime, and there we go, it works again. This is the drive-in. It's made from basically curbs which have been turned upside down, and well, there's some pavement blocks here which lead out to the driveway, and that's totally enough. That was the cheapest way to make it, actually. This cost like under $20. So let's close it up. There's a latch here. The lights off, lights out, and then we can close the other door. There's a lucky horseshoe, and that's how it looks with the driveway. So such a tiny, in fact such a tiny garage, but you can fit in 3 smaller bikes nicely in there. One recent mod is the spotlight with a sensor, you can see here, so it turns on automatically and turns off again when you're gone. And as to the previous thing, we have modified the roof, so we made it more resistant. It's a tin roof now, special kind. You can see our other film on the Anoshik tiles, which I'll recommend in the comments.